All right, so big day. It's been a long year, huh?
Yeah.
So we got the 87 ready to start. Rewired the whole front. Everything from the firewall back, all rewired. The whole front rewired, electric fans, the HIDs, everything rewired. All the wiring, everything. And we're gonna go ahead and pull it outside and turn around because I gotta do, put the tail lights in. And then the only thing left to do is really put my stripe on. And we're gonna swap out the seats, the 60/40 in there for a bench. Just because I like having more room like I do on this one. So go ahead, we're gonna start it. My son's gonna go ahead and start it. This is actually the second start. I already started it, so. You don't have to get in, just hold on. Hold on. Key off?
Yeah.
Okay. Cutoff was on. There she is. Just gotta do a little cleaning up from all the dust. But other than that, she's running. He's gonna go ahead and pull it out right now. It's all dirty and dusty. Go ahead and shut the hood. He's gonna go ahead and back it out. You don't have to fully lock it. Just push it down. You don't have to fully lock it. Just tap it a little bit. Well, just click. There you go. Well, my son's gonna go ahead and just back it out, and then back it in with the rear end in, so we can do the tail lights. This is pretty exciting. This has been a year. I got all the clear markers in there with yellow bulbs. Man, this is exciting. This is the first time it's moved on motor out of the garage this last year. Oh, there's a relay and a screwdriver. Man, this is exciting seeing this thing move. Man, this is the first time I've seen it moving on motor. It's got a 3800 stall, so he has only driven this a few times with this stall. So he's going to drive around the circle so we can get the tail lights put in. It looks amazing. It's been a journey with my son, me and him. This kid right here, man, he's going to be driving this one a lot to the shows, and I'm going to be taking the other one. But he's done so much work on this thing. He's helped me replace the whole suspension, front, back, all leaves, everything static wise. And we put a Ford 9-inch rear end in here with the disc brakes, all that. We did the whole front, all the bushings, sway bars, control arms, new Beltec Street Performer. We put the new springs. It's got a really big stall, so he's probably freaking out. How'd it feel? That was the first time I moved out of the garage on motor in a year. All right. Go ahead and shut it off. Wow. That's amazing. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We're going to get these taillights put in.